Every year, aviation enthusiasts gather in Oshkosh, Wisconsin for one of the largest air shows in the world. The EAA AirVenture Oshkosh Air Show is a one-week-long event complete with home-built aircraft, daily air shows, and my favorite, Warbirds. Here it comes. Walking into the EAA AirVenture Oshkosh Air Show, I was overwhelmed by the number of military aircraft they had on display. Some of the aircraft were even open for people to tour.
This plane's name is Doc.
Yep, it's a 7 dwarf.
A B-29 from Wichita, Kansas. Here are some tips if you're headed to EAA AirVenture. Bring a good sun hat, wear your sunshades, sun protection, a good sun shirt, and lots of water. It is outside, it's beautiful, but it is sunny, so stay protected and you'll have a much better time at EAA. And don't forget to wear a very comfortable pair of shoes. There's a lot of walking to do.
So this is my favorite part of EAA. There is an entire field behind me full of P-51s, there are a couple Corsairs, some P-40s over there, and that doesn't even scratch the surface of what's here. I've been watching a B-17 do flyovers of the field. They're just endless planes, so I am in Warbird heaven right now. We didn't get a chance to come through this last time we were here.
No, we didn't.
I love this little World War II camp. This is cool. So we've got the Brits over here, the Americans on this side. I don't know, I have to say, the Brits setup looks a lot more comfortable and relaxed than the Americans. This is Steve. He's agreed to take us around in the Willys. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
This is awesome. Is this yours?
It's Warbird.
We used to have a Jeep and I absolutely love that thing. This is the first time I've ever been in a Willys Jeep and it bounced around like none other. I can't see driving in that thing for long periods of time, but that was awesome just to get a quick tour of the Warbirds area. All right, let's go see some more planes. The P-40 behind me with that paint job was the plane, when I was a little kid and I saw that, that is what got me interested in World War II aviation and Warbirds. And I remember as a kid, I would practice drawing that every day until I could get it right. And that's why I love being at stuff like this, because of that plane with that paint job. So guess how much they're charging for an hour in a P-51 to go
How
up
much?
and ride around? $2,700. And I think for 20 minutes, I want to say it was $1,600 or $1,700. If I had an extra $2,700 laying around, I think I'd go up. That's one of those like once in a lifetime things.
Piece of information I learned. The Green Bay Packers were the first NFL team to fly to a game, and they flew on a DC-3.
very successful airplane, now in the hands of someone today. And the mark of the T-28s, 3 different models, the A, the B, and the C. You will not have to correct the 10. Right now we got Chelsea to know for a pound that puts on the Monster Energy Nitto Tire Ford Performance Mustang RTR. These guys are close chicken and taking names. You can see it out there, just stepping it out there. They're putting on a smoke show in the sky, and we're putting a smoke show on the ground. And high and to the right, it's got a grade shift knob, and actually made from a piece of an F-35 flight.
Let's check out the Transit. 2018 Transit by Coachman. I've never been in one of these.
No, it's the CrossFit.
Some storage cabinet. The bathroom. Oh, that's a big bathroom.
That is big.
Induction stove top. Nice storage up above. Ooh, look at the fridge. It's pretty comfy in here. Van life must be really popular if Ford has a camper van at their display at EAA.
That Transit was pretty cool, and we got some hats for y'all. If you'd like one, we're going to do a giveaway on our website at we'retherussos.com. Go over there and find the EAA AirVenture article. It's vegetarian. You can eat it.
Do I want to eat it?
Probably not. It has been a great time here at EAA AirVenture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. We are completely wiped out. It's been a crazy day. There was drifting, there are car rides. Even if you're not an aviation enthusiast, I mean, seeing the history behind the Warbirds and the B1 sitting behind me, it is absolutely incredible, and it's fun for everybody. If you ever have a chance to come, I highly recommend it. And we will be back another year. All right, ready to hit the road? Let's do it.
We could have taken the bus.
We could have and we should have.